This Artisan Realtors property video is presented by Jackie Lovell. Spacious rental with 4 bedrooms, large living room and separate dining room. 2 bedrooms are on the main level and 2 bedrooms are on the upper level. There is a laundry area off the kitchen, and then the kitchen is a big enough room for a breakfast table or eat-in area. There is an enclosed front porch and enclosed back porch entry area. There is a partial basement and a 1-car garage. Tenant pays $675, long-term tenant who is month to month. For more information, review the details below or contact Jackie Lovell at 317-332-7547.